Hi everyone, I'm Cindy and welcome to my channel. And look what came in the mail today. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, the Etcher Lab Mystery Pack New Year Edition. 3 exclusive surprises inside. Ooh, I am so excited when this came in. Wow. Okay, so I did get the holiday mystery pack and I was so blown away by that. I was tempted because this is $119. I have something called, in my laptop, let me get the name straight here, I have the Capital One Shopping Browser Extension. I was on the fence for the longest time getting this, and I think I waited until the last day because, they're limited edition and there's a time frame. So I finally put this in the cart in the Etcher Lab website, and that initiated the extension, the Capital One Shopping Browser Extension, and that gives you coupon codes and stuff. So my thought was, if there is a coupon code and that it is activated, then I will buy it. If there's no coupon code that's activated, then I won't buy it. Well, yep, Capital One didn't disappoint. I'm not saying to go for it. I'm not saying to get it. I'm not affiliated, but it helped me. And it has helped me in the past for supplies and food and such like that. So getting coupon codes. I think, not so sure, but I think Retail Me Not has one also. So here I am. I'm going to open it up. Look how beautiful. I love the packaging. Look at this. Wow. Let me see if I can just open it through this without... I would like, me, I save things. So I save stuff. Let me see if I can open this up. I may have to break out the scissors, but maybe not. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this up since it takes over my whole work area here. I'm going to put it on the chair beside me, and I'm going to pull out the items one by one. I think that's the best way. So, all right, yay! Okay, so let me put this aside and I'll take it out one by one. Well, what's this? Oh, a package within a package. This is funny. That is hysterical. Okay, so luckily I do have my scissors here. Let's see, hold on. I don't want to disturb the thing inside. Okay, so at least I have that. So let me try not to. I don't want to destroy anything that's inside. Okay. And I might need you again. So. Ah! Oh, wow, it's a satchel. Oh, it's a field case. Oh, wow. Sweet. All right. All right. I know these satchels and these cases are not cheap. I know that. So I'm sure I'll figure this out. Is there any... Oh, look at that. Okay, all right. So it looks like you could hold... This could latch onto your belt, maybe? Let me see. Too bad it's black on black. Oh, look at this. Wow, this holds a lot of brushes and pencils and pens. Nice. Okay. All right. Oh, this is great. Okay. This is awesome. Very good. Oh, and then you could put your palette here, maybe. Maybe even a... Well, maybe you could put your palette here. And well, this even has, wow, this has, whoops, as that falls on the floor. This has a pocket. And this has a zippered pocket. This is great. So you could put your, you could put your palette here or your notebook. This could be other items. And It has notches here, so you could put the belt, this belt that comes with, you could put it on there. So the Etcher field case, that's great. Okay, very good. It's a wonderful first item. So I don't have one of these. I'm sure these cost like maybe around $50, $60, I'm sure. In the end, I'll tally everything up. Awesome. Yay. Okay. Let's see what else is there. Ooh, laminate edition. Oh, how funny. Okay. Laminated edition 2026 Etcher calendar. I already have both the Grabby and the Lightwish watercolor calendars. It's A5 size, 100% cotton, 230 GSMs, and it's from Mixed Media, and it's vegan friendly. 2026 Etcher calendar. We're already in mid-February, so I'm gonna have to do January and February. So, okay, all right. I mean, to be honest, they could have put something else there, but we do receive these packages late. So late meaning it's already February. So, but to be continued. What else? Oh, the Etcher brush pouch. Oh, very good. Oh, and it looks like it's navy blue. Yeah, it looks like it's navy blue. That's interesting. Let me see. Hold on. Has a little llama. It has a little llama here. All right. This is great for brush pens. Oh, very good. Yeah, so it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Has 10 slots. Maybe 11. Not 10. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 narrow slots. And I don't know if you can see it, and 5 not so narrow slots. So I guess you could put pens and pencils here and brushes here perhaps. So it could be anything. It could be for acrylic, wash. Okay, that's good. That's a good thing. Always could use these. These come in handy all the time. Trying to be organized, not easy sometimes. So I'll put this over here. Let me see what else. Oh, awesome! Yes, portrait format. Etcher sketchbook. That's what I really wanted, actually. Portrait format, cold press, B5 size, 44 pages, 300 GSMs, deckled edge. I love the deckled edge. 100% cotton, mixed media, vegan friendly. Oh, and then here it includes 30 days access to online art classes. Oh, cool. This is great. Yay. Okay. Yep. I'm going to do it. I'm going to open it. Oh, I love the, what is it? It's not embossing, it's the opposite. I love this. I love this suede. It feels like suede. It's not really suede, but it has that nice feeling. Oh, debossing, I think it's called. Debossing, where it's like in. It has the 2 little llamas, and it has lists their products here. Very nice. Love the color red. Love it. Love it. Laminated edition, perfect sketchbook. Oh, I'm addicted to the first perfect sketchbook. So, wow, look at that. Do you see the texture on this? Feels more like rough instead of cold press. Nice. This is some texture. Wow. And it's more rough. It's more like rough rather than cold press. But hey, I like I love the texture. I don't know why they have the ribbon to mark where your last painting was. Yeah, I don't see the reasoning behind that, but I see the reasoning behind this. I'm happy they have this band here. It's great. So, oh, this is great. This is where I really want it. I love their sketchbooks. Love their sketchbooks. The first one I have is huge. I've done how many videos on there already? I've done 3 videos on the large sketchbook that I got from the holiday pack. And let me see, hold on. Oh, this is the last item. Oh, watercolor block. Yay! Wood pulp paper. Really? Oh, come on, Etcher. I'm a little disappointed. I was so excited with the wood block. And then I read this. I'm like, oh, hot press. 300 G's, acid-free, vegan-friendly, A4, 21 by 29.7 cms, or 8.3 by 8.7 inches. Show us your art. Not jumping up and down for joy over that. I was hoping it'd be 100% cotton, but you know, can't get everything in life. Yes, but hey, this more than makes up for it. I'm very happy with this. Oh, so happy. All right, so this is the items that I have. So it's 2, 4, so it's 5 items. A little bit bummed out about this because I already have 2 watercolor calendars. I think they could have swapped this with something else, since Etcher Lab most likely knows that it's going to arrive late, so this is pretty much mute for now. But you know, hey, love the fuel case. Always could use the brush pouch. I'm in love with this. This is well worth all of it. And I'm disappointed in the watercolor block, I have to admit. I am disappointed, but overall I'm happy with all that I got, aside from these 2 items. Let's tally everything up, see how much it is. Okay, so I tallied everything up. You know what I'm going to do? I realized regarding this calendar, I didn't open it up. Let's open it up. Why not? Let's open this calendar up. Let's see what it has here. This calendar is made special for the New Year's mystery pack, so there's no price. I can't find any price information on this as I struggle to open this with my one long nail. Let's see. Oh, of course, it's more stuff. Oh, all right. Okay. Art doesn't need a perfect plan, just a place to begin. I agree. Happy New Year. Oh, art doesn't need a perfect plan, just a place to begin. This calendar gives you open space, fresh paper, and full permission to paint whatever you like. Follow your curiosity, ignore it completely, paint over it later. It's your year. Share your 2026 moments with Etcher 2026. We'd love to see what you create. Happy New Year, the Etcher team. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I love this motif. This is wonderful. Oh, so this is like a desk. So this is like one of those triangle desk things. I don't know if I want to open this because I don't know if I'm going to be working on it right now anytime soon. But maybe they should do something else rather than a calendar. I don't know. The thought is there, but yeah, since it is already February, mid-February at that, so now we know. So there's no price on this because it's specialty made. So let's check out the other one. To be honest, I almost fell off my chair when I saw how much this was, to be honest with you. It is hysterical. All these items I priced out of the Etcher Lab website. This field case is priced at $82.81. Woohoo! Wow. All right. Here I was thinking it was like $40, $50, maybe $60 because it's relatively small, you know. So this is 82. Let me see. Did I give you the measurements? Do they have them? They do have the measurements here. Let me give you the measurements of this case. Since I didn't do that. External dimensions: length 9.5 inches. Width is 5.5 inches. This is external dimensions. Depth is 1.7 inches. Internal 8.3. Oh, the length 8.3. Width 4.3. Depth 1.2. Okay, awesome. Wow. All right, $82 for that. And the brush pouch. Now, this roll-up brush pouch, they have it in black, so I guess the blue is specialty for this mystery pack. Let me open it up again. It doesn't have the llama logo, and the little icon. You see one icon of the llama, but everything else. Okay, so they have this in black with the llama logo all over. This one goes for $22.45 in black. Okay, so that's how much this is. Piece de resistance. I'm so happy with this. Oh, this is, believe it or not, drum roll, $41.72, which is not bad for this size. I thought that wasn't a bad price. And the paper is awesome. You can see the deckled edge here. Let's see. It's so funny because I get so excited, and I'm a Latina, so I'm very expressive. And this video, which I don't mind. I mean, this video will probably get 10 views. Meanwhile, other YouTubers are like, "Oh, I'm so excited. This is great." And they get like 4,000 views. I just don't get it. But, you know, hey. But, yeah, you see the deckled edge? Oh, you can really see it there. Love this color. Love everything about this book. So this is 42. How much did I say it was? $41.72. I thought it was a very good price. Okay. The last one, which I'm not jumping up and down for joy over, to be honest, the watercolor block. This one is $21.80, which is, you know, it's a decent size, hot press. Like I said, I don't know if I want to open it yet. For a grand total, drum roll, $168.78. $168.78. I paid with my 10% off coupon code $107.10. $107.10. Do I think it's worth it? Oh yes, I do. I think it's well worth it. With just this alone, this was over $82. So I was like, what? Holy moly. And this, which I love. I am so in love with you. No joke. So, yep, very happy with it. Please leave below any questions or comments. Hit like, subscribe, and share if you think anybody else will enjoy this video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.